questions. And
All right. So, what's your name and what do you do?
yeah, so my name is Matt Domi. I have a sales business and an AirBnB business. So I came out to the event to kind of get some value at the Conjunction Wisdom event. Matthew's a phenomenal instructor. Really learned like some like deep dive, like actual hands-on strategies and a lot of like stuff that I just never knew about, like pre-tax sales, just like a whole bunch of different things. But the main thing I like about it is just his sharpness and he just over-delivered. I didn't really kind of expect too much. Didn't really know kind of much about his background, but highly would recommend coming to the event. A lot of cool people at the event too, some heavy hitters in the real estate space. So if you're looking to kind of, when you're new, intermediate, more advanced, I highly recommend definitely seeing Matthew. I'll definitely be coming back.
Yes. So, what would you say would be like your number one takeaway from today? If you were to narrow it down to one biggest thing,
one gold nugget. That's tough. That was a lot. So I would say just kind of like I guess like the biggest thing in real estate, I guess, is the due diligence. So having the systems and frameworks, whether it's for learning real estate, actually like finding good deals, running the cash flow and like the legal aspect, because the amount of money you could save on doing projects will be insignificant compared to like what you do to come out. So I think it's a bit of a no-brainer. So just like his processes, which is anything in business, right? So
awesome. Cool. So would you recommend Matthew Frederick as a real estate mentor?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up doing some extra coaching with him. So yeah, definitely, he's a sharpshooter. You got to come out, otherwise you're missing out, and your competitors are probably one-upping you. So there you go.
Awesome.